ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It refers to the integration of computing, telecommunication, and broadcasting technologies to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data or information. Key components of ICT: 1. Hardware, computers, servers, mobile phones, routers, etc. 2. Software, applications, operating systems, databases. 3. Networks, internet, intranets, LAN, WAN. 4. Telecommunication technologies, phones, satellites, fiber optics. 5. Data and information systems, cloud computing, data analytics, storage solutions. Common examples of ICT in use: sending emails or instant messages, online banking and e-commerce, video conferencing, for example, Zoom, Teams, digital classrooms and e-learning platforms, managing health records in hospitals. Importance of ICT: education, enables online learning and access to vast knowledge. Business, streamlines operations, enhances communication, enables e-commerce. Healthcare, improves patient records management and remote diagnostics. Government, facilitates e-governance and public service delivery. In summary, ICT is a broad term that covers all technologies used to handle telecommunications, broadcast media, audio-visual processing, and network-based control and monitoring system. Importance of ICT in education. Information and communication technology, ICT plays a crucial role in transforming and improving education across all levels. Here are key reasons why ICT is important in education. 1. Enhances teaching and learning. Interactive tools like smartboards, videos, and simulations make lessons more engaging. E-learning platforms, for example, Google Classroom, Moodle, enable flexible and personalized learning. Teachers can use multimedia to explain complex concepts more effectively. 2. Increases access to education. Students in remote or underserved areas can access quality learning through online classes. Distance learning allows people to study at their own pace and convenience. Open educational resources (OERs) provide free materials worldwide. 3. Improves student engagement and motivation. Gamified learning apps and interactive content increase students' interest. ICT tools cater to different learning styles: visual, auditory, kinesthetic. 4. Supports collaboration and communication. Students and teachers can collaborate through emails, chat platforms, and video conferencing. Group projects and peer learning become easier with cloud-based tools. 5. Facilitates efficient administration. ICT streamlines school management through digital attendance, grading, and communication systems. Timetables, results, and records can be easily managed and accessed. 6. Develops digital literacy and 21st century skills. Students learn how to use technology responsibly and effectively. ICT fosters skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and digital communication essential for modern jobs. 7. Promotes lifelong learning. ICT encourages continuous learning beyond the classroom. Educational websites, podcasts, and videos help learners stay updated on any topic. Summary: ICT in education empowers students and teachers, broadens access, boosts engagement, and prepares learners for the digital world. It is an essential part of modern education systems worldwide.